A grilled cheese sandwich is the ultimate comfort food, combining crispy golden brown toasted bread with gooey melted cheese for a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal. To make the perfect grilled cheese, start by choosing quality bread such as sourdough, white, or whole wheat. A thicker slice will provide a nice crunch while still allowing the cheese to melt properly. Next, select a good melting cheese like cheddar, American, Swiss, or mozzarella. Butter one side of each bread slice generously to achieve a crispy, flavorful crust. For an extra rich taste, you can use mayonnaise instead of butter, as it spreads more easily and browns evenly. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium-low heat to prevent burning while ensuring the cheese melts thoroughly. Place one slice of bread, buttered side down, onto the pan. Then add a generous layer of cheese before topping it with the second slice, buttered side up. Cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side, pressing gently with a spatula, until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is fully melted. To elevate your grilled cheese, consider adding extras like crispy bacon, tomato slices, caramelized onions, or a spread of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. You can also mix different cheeses for a more complex flavor. Serve your grilled cheese hot, paired with a warm bowl of tomato soup for the ultimate cozy meal. Whether enjoyed as a quick lunch, dinner, or late-night snack, this timeless classic is loved by both kids and adults alike. With its crispy, buttery crust and irresistibly gooey center, a grilled cheese sandwich proves that the simplest dishes are often the most comforting and delicious.